Hello, welcome back to the channel again, guys. So we're working on the Mini Countryman 1.5 petrol. We have the P0036 12B304 oxygen sensor after catalytic converter heating. Now, two ways. I'll show you exactly where it is. I'll guide you. This is not going to be a DIY job, but I'll show you exactly where the sensor is and what you need to do. So if you're getting this and you've got the drivetrain warning, or the car's losing power, or fueling is not the best, in other words, that sensor, that warning, is to do with this here. This wiring here. Okay, so you see the silver one? This is the sensor that goes into it. You'll have to, so two ways. Check the wiring to this first. Make sure it's all good. If it is, it'll be to do with the sensor, which you'll have to track, and it goes back onto the exhaust system. So track this all the way, and it goes back to the exhaust system. So the sensor does go faulty. And in other words, heating does damage it over time. It wears out. It's best to replace it with an OEM sensor rather than aftermarket. Other option would be, I've seen a few do it, is remapping, but that's down to you. You can remap it and map it out and just keep the car as stock anyway. You don't have to map it to get power, but you just map it to clear the fault code, and that code won't appear. But that's where it is. Trace it down, and it's on the exhaust. You can replace it with OEM. I don't know how much it is, maybe 80 quid, 100 quid, around these sort of figures. But that's where it is, guys.